Hey guys, welcome back to the 30-hour review. If you've watched my channel for any time, you probably know that I have quite a collection of welding caps. I like a good fitting welding cap. Unfortunately, if you wash your welding caps, you also know they shrink terribly. This is one of those Come Low brand ones that you can get at like Tractor Supply or any type of welding supply store. I've had this guy for some time now, but this used to cover my ears. This was considered a deep fit cap. Yeah, I can't get that to evenly cover both my ears anymore. I still get, yeah. So in the process of looking for a better cap, I looked around and I found Doogieshats. Sent a message. They were kind enough to send me two. This sweet little Hello Kitty one and a 6-panel. So the Hello Kitty one is a 4-panel, and also it is FR resistant. This is Westex fabric. It is fire resistant for the life of it, as long as you don't use fabric softener. And yeah, now this one I just pulled out of the dryer, and I just washed both of them actually, but this one just came out of the dryer, and as you can see, the fit on the 6-panel is pretty freaking solid. They're comfortable, and also they are extremely customizable. You want custom embroidery done on the side of it, you can get it done for like $7. You want a premium print that's licensed, they have it. Star Wars, Hello Kitty, AC/DC, they have all this type of stuff on there. You want your welding cap to be FR, they even have a glow-in-the-dark Westex fabric on there. Yeah, so any type, cool stitching, you can get it all done there. According to, you know, of course the price is going to vary depending on what you want, but check them out. You get 6 caps, the 7th one's free. The website's doogieshats.com. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment for the next 30-hour review.